Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy and welcome to this video. Welcome to my channel. So as you can see, let's say what tests are not meant to diagnose you. They only talk about probabilities and assumptions and are rather entertaining in nature. Okay, so we have this Apple word today, which is 40 more. There's more than 40 of tests, psychological tests, and we're gonna see where we at psychologically, how we are. But as you can see from here, they're not meant to diagnose you. They only talk about probabilities and assumptions, and they're there for entertaining reasons mostly. So from here we can see all of the tasks, and the good thing is it's saying how many minutes it will take. You see, for example, this one is for profession type task, from here you can see actually your progress. But let's go to categories, mental conditions, career guidance. I want to actually go with something that's taking around 2-3 minutes. Observation, people skills. Okay, that's what I want to do. In your opinion, those who always have good manners, polite, pleasant in communication, strictly brought up, polite and pleasant in communication, to be honest. You know a married couple who never quarrel. In your opinion? I don't know. I mean, the thing is, why would we see that married couple having a fight in front of us? Like, they don't trust, they're happy. I wouldn't say they're happy, but they don't have problems. Maybe they're indifferent to each other. They don't trust each other. I think they're happy. Like, you see a person for the first time and he immediately begins to tell you jokes. You decide to switch mentally sharp. He feels insecure and thus wants to wit and mentally sharp. You're talking with someone on an interesting topic. Your interlocutor accompanies the conversation with gestures. You think he is okay. Sorry. I'm trying to picture it in my mind. You're talking with someone on an interesting topic. Conversation with gestures. Aynen işte. Insincere. Excited. If you get to know someone, you will invite him to join you for watching in action. If I decide to get someone better, what would I do? Not my friends. I would watch him in action, to be honest. Someone in the restaurant gives a big tip. You're convinced he needs a way. This is from generosity of the soul. Like, it is really, really about the looks, the weight, the behavior. But I think it would be like this in my mind. If a person never starts the conversation first, you think he's secretive or does not want to talk, he's afraid to be, he's too shy, he just don't want to talk. In your opinion, a person's low forehead means stupidity, stubbornness. You can't say anything specific about a person. Yes. What do you think of a person who doesn't look others in the eyes? I think he could be, yes, a high income person always buys cheap things. He's not thrifty, he's humble. Just because you have money, we have passed this. Like, usually you can be confident in your opinion, but you can easily accept the point of view of others. In this case, your observation is dulled, and all this, in the end, may lead to the fact that you can't formulate your own opinion at all. You need... What? Why do you say that? I can share this, or I can report this error in text. Never mind. So now when you look at my progress, as you can see, I have passed one of them. If you think there would be a problem, you can contact a developer. You can choose a theme, by the way. Let me choose my theme. I'm gonna go with this. Looks better. So also there are categories like this, as you saw, like task with pictures, interpersonal relationships, temperament and character, mental conditions, career guidance, IQ test, assessment of cognitive process, intra-family relations, amateur tests like non-professionals. So tolerance test, observation. I took it. Artist or thinker? I'm a thinker, I think, yeah. So I think you guys should really give this a try. Like, you should be doing, you can just do all of the tasks. If I were you, that's what I would do, at least, that's what I'm gonna do. You can also search, maybe you don't want to like go down. So this is an amazing app that you would use, even like after you finish, you wouldn't use it one more time, but you would make your friends use it. You know what I mean? That kind of task, this kind of app. And I think I liked it. Like, I will try, like, after this video ends, I will try the tolerance test and will definitely let you guys know. And so let's get to my question. So as you see, I have did all those things, the questions, and one of them I want to ask that question to you. So you're in a restaurant and there's this guy who tipped very big, like very much. And what would you think of him? Like, is he trying to impress people? He's just a generous people, or he wants to be nice to the waitress? Which one do you think is the answer? Please let me know in the comments. Also, if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments too. And do not forget to like this video from that button. Hit that button. Hit that button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I know you did. I hear you. But, maybe something happened and you unsubscribe from my channel, not on purpose or something, So it's easy, it's okay. It happens. We're all human. We make mistakes, or we just forget to subscribe sometimes. So what you should do is actually go down there. It says subscribe. What you gonna do, You're gonna hit that button. So we can see each other in my next videos. So thank you guys for watching one more time. See you guys in my next video.